Message Banking for Accent Devices with Empower Software. Part 2, Importing and Using Your Messages. In this video, you will learn how to import your messages into Empower on your Accent device and how to use them. To learn how to record and download messages, please watch the video tutorial, Part 1, Recording and Downloading Messages. To import your messages into the Accent device with Empower, plug the USB flash drive with your zip file of your recorded messages into your Accent device with Empower. Make sure you are using either the Essence 60 or Essence 84 vocabulary. From your Essence vocabulary, select Menu, then Toolbox, then System Settings, and Export and Import. From here, you'll select Import, then Import Message Banking Zip File. You'll select Choose File. Now you're going to look for your file on your flash drive. You may have to go up using this arrow if you don't see your drive listed. There's my drive, and I'm going to select the one that said Messages. And it's importing my Message Banking zip file. Now I can select Close and Exit. Now, when I go to a button on my vocabulary that says Banked, I will see the tags from my recordings.
I'd like some coffee. It's great to see you. I'd like some coffee.
When I recorded my messages, I tagged the phrase, I'd like some coffee, on two different pages, a drink page and a wants page. That's why it shows up on two different tags. I could have also made a tag that said breakfast and included it on that one as well. And of course, you can have multiple recordings on each page. To learn more about the Essence vocabulary and our other products and services, please visit our website at www.printrom.com.